Thank you. Okay. Makes the bad voice worse. Thank you, everyone. We have decided to change the narratives and how that new narrative will affect what we are about to do. We call it rural women. We're supposed to deal on the rural women, support them, promote them, and appreciate them, isn't it? I'm pleading with you people. Let's work this particular one. Let it be the first example to show that we've changed the narratives. Let us do it differently. I urge each and every one of you, and we prefer a situation where, as we are about to encourage them in planting rice, let this thing be an opportunity to encourage them and make things easier for them. You can't call them every day, you appreciate them with mouth, and you tell them how good they are, and show them how to do this or do that. And they go back and start doing that same work in a very excruciatingly painful way. They have been suffering the way and manner our people are doing their agriculture. The rural women are suffering so much that you can't even pay them for the pain they go through. Why can't we change this particular one? Let each and every donor that is here bring one modernized tool or the other to give to those women that day. Let it be something different. The First Lady has already volunteered. She is bringing in a lot of agricultural machines to give out to these women on that day, because she's equally interested in making life easier for these women. And I heard too, we are going to teach them how to manufacture manure, make manure, and how to use it. That one is equally very good. But I suggest that we do this particular celebration in Women Development Center, bringing in a few women from some geopolitical zones, as we are about to give them these tools, teach them, bring the Chinese people that will teach them how to use these tools. Let it be something different that will improve their lives for a change. That is my briefing today. And that is the way we are going to do it. I'm sorry, but we have to change it. If we know the women we are expecting, we can equally gather people that are within to fill up the hall, while we choose few representatives from different areas where they major on agriculture and make it easier for them. As we speak now, a Chinese company, has donated 26,000 tons of the hybrid rice to this ministry. Hybrid rice. So we will use this opportunity, bring in those areas where they are farming rice, especially the areas that UN and the World Bank said they are helping us by organizing some women and they're dealing on rice, but they're still using hand to pick the rice. I don't know where we would have gone from there or where we go from there. Let us invite representatives from these women, give them this hybrid rice, as we are already expecting a four-step rice processing mill, rice milling machines. When they plant this rice, it gets ready in 2 months. This rice, they call it hybrid because it multiplies. If ordinary rice will bring out 100 bags, this one will give you 130 or 140 bags. So that's why they call it hybrid. And it gets ready in 2 months. So we'll give it to these women that day, encourage them in a way we can. The president's wife has already volunteered to get these tools, at least something worth about 151 million naira tools that she's donating from her personal purse to these people. So we give it to them, and then we give them the hybrid rice, and we give them a time frame to produce rice that will bring down the cost of rice. There's no way we can bring down cost of food if we don't make it easier for these people to multiply what they are bringing out every year. So let us plan it like that, and I'm urging you all, people from Ministry of Agriculture, speak to your minister, write to them that we need donation of agricultural tools, the modern ones. That is what each and every one of you will come with that day, and you present it on national TV for the world to see what you have come with. I myself, on personal basis, I will come with some. Then from the ministry, to equally organize some and come that day. Let us encourage these women and give them opportunity to bring more food for us, because the food is so expensive that even a common man cannot afford a lot of food. So that is what I am pleading. Let this be an example to show the president that we have actually changed the narratives by making it a different way. I know I've gone around the market before I became the minister, and saw people that sell bitter leaf. My place, bitter leaf is a very nutritious soup for us. If you see what these women, none of them, you can't see flesh in their bodies, because they suffer so much to take out the bitterness from these bitter leaves. And we go there and buy it at peanuts. We can get equally people to construct what will make that job easier for them. I'm already working on it, but I can't do this all by myself. I need us to all come together. All women, let us come together and do this work. Let President even nominate and appoint as many women as she wants to join me in Ministry of Women Affairs. I am sorry, I will be very happy, because I need as many hands as I can get. So I'm urging everybody in this room, don't come on that day without one or two tools or many tools you can hand over to these farmers. That is my plea. And I beg you, we make it in a big way. We make these people feel they are human beings. You make them appreciate them, that they have been suffering for you. That is what I want. Show them that they belong. That's why you see me at times, that they are equally joined to feed them, to serve them, and make them there as important as I am. And they're as important or even more important than most of us. Because without them, what do you eat? Have you finished doing big manism? Talk less of entering the bush to go and farm. You know the risk they take. So all of us will serve them food that day, serve them and make them feel they are humans. And don't come empty-handed. NCWC, that is it. Eh? NCWS, your organization, you people don't touch money, no be small. Enter that your purse, bring out money, buy tools, don't come empty-handed, and don't dodge for coming that day. You must come, and you must not come empty-handed. Everybody, even my directors, will not come empty-handed. They have been chopping money too. They will dip their hands into their pocket, collect something that you people call tithe. You go to churches, you give it to pastors. They use it in a way you don't know. Bring out that tithe now for the rural women and get tools, please. I beg of you.